Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are well. In the earlier session, I have already discussed about arithmetical operators. So friends, in today's session, I am going to discuss about relational operators. Before going to discuss about relational operators, I am just reminding all of you about operator, operands, expression and statements. What is operator? Operators allow us to manipulate the variables and the constants present in the expression. Okay. Next, what is operands? Operands are the variables or the constants on which the operators operate upon. Next, expression. What is expression? Expression are the combination of variable, constants, operators and literals. So we can easily say that expression consists variables, constants, different type of operators and literals. And last of all, what is statement? Statement is a complete unit of execution. Means statement is that which we can execute. So if I give a simple example to all of you, I am showing here what you can see. int code is equal to 5 into 10, then semicolon at the end of this. So I have written a statement here, means this total int code is equal to 5 into 10 last of all semicolon. This total is a statement. Okay, and here you can see if I execute this, what will be done here? The result by doing the multiplication of two integers 5 and 10 will be stored or will be assigned in the variables code. So 5 into 10 result is 50, that will be stored or that will be assigned in the variables code. So this 5 into 10 here, this is an expression. Okay, so you can easily understand the difference between expression and statements. Now I am going to discuss about our today's main topic or today's main focus, that is relational operators. So listen here very carefully. First of all, relational operators are actually used to check the relationship between two operands. Okay, it is also called comparison operators. Why it is called comparison operators? Because it compared a couple of values. Next, it basically returns boolean type value, means true or false, after checking the relationship. But remember here one thing, it is very important, there is no boolean type in C language. So C language doesn't return any type of true or false after checking any type of relationship. So what it returns? It returns 1 or 0 instead of true or false. If the relationship is true, it basically returns 1, and if the relationship is false, it returns 0. Okay, so friends, these relational operators are actually used in decision making and different type of loops. So I will discuss these topics in another video. Next, the associativity of relational operators are same to the arithmetical operators, means it is left to right. Okay, now there are different type of relationships, and for each there are different type of relational operators. So now I am showing all of you a slide containing different type of relational operators. So I am opening, one second. Here you are, the classification of relational operators, means different type of relational operators. First of all, you can see here is equal to is equal to. What is the meaning of this operator? The meaning of this operator is equal to. Like an example, if I write 5 is equal to 3, it will check 5 is really equal to 3 or not. If 5 is really equal to 3, the relationship is true. If 5 is not equal to 3, the relationship is false. All of you know that 5 is not equal to 3. So it will evaluate it to 0, means the relationship is false here. Next, greater than. If I write 5 greater than 3, the relationship is true, means 5 is really greater than 3. Here it will evaluate it to 1, means true. Next, less than. 5 less than 3. No, it is not true. 5 is greater than 3. So it will evaluate it to 0, means the relationship is false. Number 4, not equal to. If I write 5 not equal to 3, the relationship is true, so it will evaluate it to 1. In the same way, if I write greater than is equal to, means greater than or equal to. Here 5 greater than is equal to 3, it is true, so it will evaluate it to 0. It will evaluate it to 1 because the relationship is true. And last of all, less than is equal to, means less than or equal to. If I write 5 less than is equal to 3, it will evaluate it to 0 because the relationship is false here. Okay. So friends, till now we are all cleared about the definition of relational operators and its classification. So let's see now this topic programmatically or practically. So just I am opening the compiler app here. First of all, I am writing the code segment and then I am explaining line by line. Scope start, scope end. So friends, now I am writing my code segment within these curly braces. First of all, I am declaring 3 integer type of variables here, A, B and C. I am declaring these variables, and after declaring I am initializing these variables with the values. You can see 10, 5 and 10 here respectively, and then just I am printing what I am printing. See here, print in double quotation I am writing, which will be print returned value is equal to here percentage d comma the relationship here between two values, a is equal to b. So friends, in the first line you can see I have already declared a, b, c, 3 integer type of variables and initialized those with the value 10, 5 and 10 respectively. Friends, in the next line you can see it will actually return the boolean type value, means true or false, after checking the relationship. So it will return here actually 0 or 1 instead of this true or false after checking the relationship. If the relationship is true, means here we are writing the relationship by checking the relationship between two values. If the relationship is true, it will return value is equal to 1, or if the relationship is false, it will return value is equal to 0. In the both case 1 and 0 both are integer, so it will actually return the integer type of value. So I am using the format specifier percentage d here. Okay, so here I am first of all I have already written the relationship between the variable a and b, and the relational operator here is equal to. So first of all, a is equal to b. It will check 10 is equal to 5, means 10 is equal to 5. No, 10 is not equal to 5, so the relationship is false here. So it will return what? 0. Execute. Let's execute our code and you can get here 0. In the same way, if I just change it to C, what will it return? It will first of all it will check 10 is equal to 10, means 10 is equal to 10. Yes, 10 is equal to 10, so the relationship is true here, so it will return what? 1. And here you are, the console displays are 1. Now just change this relational operator to not equal to. So what will it return? It will check 10 not equal to 10. No, 10 is equal to 10, so 10 is not unequal to 10. So here the relationship is false here, so it will return what? 0. Very simple, 0. Here just change this variable c to variable b. Now 10 is not equal to 5. Yes, 10 is not equal to 5 absolutely, so it will return what? True, means 1. Okay. Next, now I am changing this to less than. it will check here 10 less than 5. No, 10 is not less than 5, so the relationship is false here, so it will return 0. You can see a 0. And if I change it to C, what will happen? 10 less than 10, it will check 10 less than 10. No, 10 is not less than 10, relationship is false, it will return 0. Okay, in the same way, now if I make it reverse, here B, no, here A and here B, then what will happen? It will check 5 less than 10. Yes, absolutely, 5 less than 10, relationship is true, it will return what? 1. Here you are, the value 1. Now just change it to less than is equal to A. So it will check 5 less than is equal to 10. Yes, absolutely, because 5 is less than 10, so 5 is also less than is equal to 10, so the relationship is true, it will return 1. Okay, in the same way, just make it reverse, and here you can see A less than is equal to B, means it will check 10 less than is equal to 5. No, 10 is greater than 5, 10 is not less than 5, so 10 is also not less than is equal to 5, so the relationship is false here. So what will it return? 0. Okay, now just change this relational operator less than is equal to greater than. Now it will check 10 greater than 5. Yes, 10 is greater than 5, so the relationship is true. What will it return? 1. So console displays are 1. And make it reverse. In the same way, make it reverse. It will check 5 greater than 10. No, 5 is not greater than 10, relationship is false, it will return 0. Okay, and in the same way, if I write here less than is equal to, it will check 5. No, it is it is not less than is equal to, it is greater than is equal to, so it will check 5 greater than is equal to 10. No, 5 is not greater than is equal to 10, so it will return what? 0, means false. And in the same way, if I make it reverse, the value will be also reverse, means 1, because 10 greater than is equal to 5. Yes, 10 is greater than is equal to 5, as well as 10 is greater than 5, so the relationship is true, and ultimately it will return what? 1. Okay friends, I hope all of you understood our today's topic, relational operators, its classification, and this total practical session. In the next video, I will come with another topic. Okay friends, bye.